welcome back in this video. I am Shaptoshi. Here you will learn how to create this kind of stylish progress bar chart in Excel. This is a dynamic progress bar chart and you can use this for in your Excel report or Excel dashboard. Here I have used multiple stacks to show this progress, and then I I am showing how much it is filled, and the percent is also getting changed. Now in this video I will explain you step by step how can I create this in Excel. For this, let us copy the data into the new worksheet, which I have already copied. Now for creating this kind of charts, first select whole data. Yes, this is the whole data, and go for the recommended charts. I can do either using clustered column or using clustered bar chart. The procedure is same. I am going for the clustered bar chart. This is our diagram. Make it little bit of larger. Yes. Now first I need to format the axis. For somehow this should be removed, and for the axis go to the axis option. Minimum is okay, but maximum I need to set it to 1 or the 100%. Now it is set at the 100%, and then I have to remove these grid lines from the diagram, and then I have to create a shape, a rectangular shape, like this one, or a little bit of smaller. Okay, like this one. The shape fill should be little bit of lighter, like this one, and the shape outline should be white. Now create a duplicate using Ctrl D. The shape fill should be little bit of brighter for the actual number. This is for the total or the maximum value, and this is for the actual value. Now we have to paste this. First copy this and then paste here, and this also first copy this and paste here. Oh no, sorry, it's a mistake. Yeah, done. Now we have to go for some changes. Format the data series, go to fill option, and here under this option we have to choose stack with scale. This will create uh, um, some lines 0.05, and similarly for our actual data select this one 0.05. Yes. Now we have to go for overlapping, make it 100, and no, make it 100, and this one make it 104. Now we are done almost. Now go to the select data, make it, yes, okay. Now we have almost here. We need to label the data, create data labels, go for more options. Yes, now we have the data. We can have the chart title, progress of the students over the test. It should look good, and the background should be this one. So yes, here we go. This is our required chart, or we can make it because already the numbers are there. So this is it.